Hello traders, my name is Gregor and welcome to a new free video in which today we will take a look on the dollar CAD. Now, as you know, as I always mention in our previous videos, always when I'm looking for a trading setup, I will of course trying to identify the direction of a trend. Now here on the dollar CAD weekly chart, because I usually will look for a direction of a trend on a weekly or daily chart, will definitely not pay a lot of attention to monthly chart, since you can see and spot couple hundred pips moves on a daily chart as well, which is obviously enough for a nice trade. Okay, so here I'm looking for a weekly chart, and can see higher swing highs and higher lows. Okay, this is identification of an uptrend. I can also see some accelerating price action in this recent leg, so it looks like dollar CAD is heading even higher here, and obviously I'm interested to go or look for long opportunities on a daily chart or for our chart. Now always when I'm looking to get into the market, of course I want some pullback. Okay, I want better entries to catch the ongoing trend. So here on a daily chart, I can see some nice higher swings here, and looks like, as I said already earlier, that we will see more upside here. Now also notice that this lag from start of January is looking extended, very sharp, strong push in a very short period of time. If you compare this lag, let's say, to other past recent lags, well, this usually occurs in the middle of a very strong wave. From an Elliott wave principle, we know that wave 3 is typically the strongest wave. Okay, so if this is wave 3, then this was wave 1, this was then a wave 2, a sideways price action. So in impulsive waves, we know that we have 5 waves, which means that this coming retracement, or this retracement which is already unfolding, is most likely wave 4, which means there will be a room for a push up in wave 5. So this wave 5 could be your setup wave. Okay, so here I have labeled the wave count for you, and you can see here that I labeled this as a wave 1, wave 2, extended wave 3, wave 4. I'm anticipating lower levels for wave 4. Typically you will see a retracement back towards 38.2% compared to this wave 3. Let me zoom this in, which comes in around 109.70, 80, around there. So this is definitely the region where I would love to get involved in this uptrend. Also notice that I connected, let me remove the RSI. Also notice that I have here the base channel. What is the base channel? Well, I connected these lows of or start of wave 1, then low or end point of wave 2, and put a parallel line on the top of wave 1. And usually when you see a strong push out of this channel, this is a very important signal that market is accelerating. Okay, look at this slope compared to this slope. So I think that this represents a wave 3 in progress, because I already said earlier that typically wave 3 will be the strongest wave. So this confirms the idea that we are trading impulsively here, and if that's the case, then coming pullback, which should be wave 4, will ideally find a support at one of these trend lines, okay, of this base channel. So this is our upper trend line, ideal trend line that will hold as a support in wave 4, or we have then a mid trend line and the lowest trend line. Okay, so I'm looking for a wave 4 completion somewhere in this region, as I said, ideally at around 38.2% retracement and at this upper trend line of this base channel. So from there I would look for longs. Well, on the 4-hour chart, I still do not see this wave 4 completed. This is corrective lag. Corrections are minimum in 3 legs. I see this as a wave A. So wave B is now unfolding, which means we should see wave C to the downside back towards this our ideal support zone. Okay, so once the market will reach these levels, well, be aware of a new bounce to the upside. Okay, traders, that's it, and I will catch you later this week with our new free video. Bye.